This is my favorite part, is I love thinking outside the box. Well, this time I thought outside the bag. To create rocks instead of using foam is what we did is we just got brown paper bags, you fill it with newspaper, and again, take your pieces of newspaper, just crumple it up, and we used maybe 4 or 5 in each bag. And what we did is we rolled it up, took a stapler, stapled it, and we put it on each end, stapled this end, and stapled that end. And then what I had the volunteers do is paint it a solid color. Now after we put them outside and they dried, I had them come in and take the caramel color, which is the base color of the rock, we put a little bit of purple into it, and we took a sea sponge and we sponged a couple of rocks. That gives it a little bit of texture and detail. But you can tell from our set, once these things are all laid on, I'll tell you what, they do not look like brown paper bags. Now we had some leftover foam. This is our 2-inch foam that we had left over. And you can see what I did here is I layered it. See, we have 1, 2, 3 different layers. And this was just scrap foam that was laying on the ground. Don't let it go to waste. So we took our hot knife, cut whatever shape, whatever size of the piece of scrap foam that we had. We took our 2-inch pin nails and we just pinned them in. Took our base colored it out, and then we took our sponge color, we sponged it, and we didn't let anything go to waste, and we got some foam rocks.